A delighted strategy, wow!
Hello. Today I will share with you the 7 key trading habits I have learned over 5 years of trading, which involved many sleepless nights and even losing $1,000 in deposits. Make sure to subscribe and watch the entire video to learn which habits and experience can help you make profit and which ones may cause you to lose your profit. Let's get started. I propose to immediately open a down trade. It will be interesting to watch what is happening. Trading today on the correction instrument Fibonacci. This instrument is in the list. As usual, we will place it at the trading starting level. This is here we have the beginning of the downtrend, here is the downtrend, and here is the end of it. Accordingly, we place 0 numbers at the end of this trend. The level we have our support and resistance. It all depends on where we have the graph. Here we see the breakdown of our level 236, and accordingly after that breakdown we expect a downward movement because the breakdown is going from the top to bottom. We open the deal for 500 and wait for its completion. Many of you are probably wondering how I manage so easily and just trade and increase deposits. Maybe it's luck or something like that doesn't exist. Friends, are primarily my habits, and now I will tell you and show you which ones. One main habit is continuous learning and self-improvement. Successful traders strive to constantly learn and develop, acquiring new strategies, analyzing markets, reading financial literature, and staying updated with the last trends. Education and self-improvement help them adapt changing market conditions and make informed trading decisions. If you enjoy watching YouTube videos, you may notice that each year brings an increasing number of strategies, which each one becoming more complex than the previous. This is primarily due to involving market conditions, therefore based on this habit we need to constantly adapt and learn, acquiring new information and put into practice. Now let's move on the second habit, which is closing trades with a profit. The second habit is focused on developing and following your own trading plan. Successful traders create detailed plans that cover various aspects, such as entry and exit strategies, risk management, and goal setting. They have a clear target for how much they aim to earn each day and dedicated stick to their plan. All successful traders, including myself, adhere to their trading plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on the emotions. This is on contrast to newcomers who often make mistakes because they let their emotions overpower them. The third successful case, we increase the bet amount and continue forward. The next third habits focus on risk management. Successful traders prioritize managing their risks and set a maximum loss limit for each trading sessions. If they exceed the limit, they immediately stop trading. Unfortunately, many beginners make the mistake of trying to recover their losses and often make emotional decisions. Now let's talk about the fourth rule, which is discipline and emotional control. Successful traders prioritize discipline and the ability to control their emotions. They don't let fear or greed impact their trading decisions, whether they experience significant losses or big wins. This is because they always adhere strictly to their trading plan. Therefore, my friends, when you are trading, it's crucial to forget about emotions. Never allow your emotions to overpower your rational thinking and lead to loss of your deposit. So, fifth habit tell us the analysis and planning. This is one of the most important traits of any successful trader. You must understand that you open a deal exactly when this matches your trading system. Avoid entering trades based on personal preference, speculative thoughts about reversals, or market movement. Instead, entering trade based on clear strategy. Following this approach will minimize the number of unsuccessful impulsive. The sixth rule emphasizes the importance of being flexible and adaptable as trader. It is crucial to recognize the strategies that have shown profit result in the past may eventually become ineffective. In such situation, important accept reality and resist your approach to trading. There is no need to dwell on negative outcome because you always have opportunity to make change. The final rule highlights the importance of considering market psychology for successful traders, including myself. It is essential to recognize that market behavior is often driven by emotions such as greed and fear, primarily influenced by other market participants. To profit in the market, one needs to be smart than at least half of the others involved in. If you follow these simple habits, even beginners can trade successfully. And if you want to trade on a trusted platform that I use, click in the comment in the link under this video to join me with you as Ilias Trader. See you guys to the next video.